Today we are making tea at the tea time. So here we go. We have some boiling hot water. This is 500 ml of water. Now in goes 1.5 teaspoon of Assam CTC. 1.5. 1.5. Alright, now we are gonna wait for the color to be nice in brown. We're gonna give half a teaspoon of rock salt. Yes, you've guessed it. We are making lemon tea, nimbu chai. Half teaspoon of rock salt goes into it. Now comes the honey. Can you see how nice and dark the color has become? Yes. So now comes honey. Honey, I think I'm gonna add like about 2 teaspoons of honey. Yes. So there you go. Oh, thick, luscious honey goes in. 1 teaspoon. And the second teaspoon. Great. Now we mix it all up. Yeah. Check out the color. We can switch off the gas now and let it settle down a little bit while I close the lid of honey. And after that, I'm gonna start adding some lemon. So now when the boil is completely gone, this is the time I'm gonna add the lemon. And we will keep on adding lemon juice till the time the color changes into a nice amber liquor. You'll see the chemical reaction happening. Please pardon me, the light here is really bad and I can't really see. Yes, there. Can you see how the color is changing? Beautiful. A full lemon will go. So that's a half and another half. Oh, look at the color. Beautiful. Another. You can give it a taste test. If you want a little more salt, you can add a little more salt. If you want to add some sugar, you can add some sugar. But this is how we drink our nimbu chai here. And this is how you pour. Look at the color. Beautiful. Our tea is ready. Cheers.